Hi everyone, welcome back to another very short but also very informative YouTube tutorial. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to use hover text to display larger text on Macbook. So let's begin right away. The very first step is to open the System Preferences app by holding Command and Space and search for System Preferences. Also, you may search for System Preferences by clicking on the F4 button and search for System Preferences. And lastly, you may open Preferences by clicking on the Apple logo on the upper left corner and then click on System Preferences. And then, what we're going to do here is click on Accessibility, then click on Zoom, and then click on Enable Hover Text. So, what will happen is that whenever you point on an item or a text while holding Command, the text will be zoomed or enlarged. Example, this one. And then that's it. That's how you can enable hover text to display larger text on MacBook. So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.